Yo, and welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man, for good drinking content. So today we are, there we go. All right, boom. So today we are going to be making a rainbow shot. So essentially, you pour it all into this metal can, glass, whatever you want to call it. We pour it into these different shot glasses, and voila, they'll all be different colors. First, we have our Grenadine, so we're going to pour that in there. That's going to be the base. Add some ice, and our sweet and sour mix. We want to pour that really slowly so that the sweet and sour doesn't mix with the Grenadine. Just kind of layer it. So let's see if we can do it. Get in there. Get in there. Okay. Easy. Boom. That's the sweet and sour. So next we're going to do the orange juice. Same thing. Just layer it, pour it super slowly. And we're using the spoon so that it kind of breaks the fall. So it doesn't just drop completely in there and then mix with everything. Because then that would mess up our different layers. Okay, so that's the orange juice. Then the next is the vodka. And that's kind of really for alcohol content, because I mean it is a shot. So, you know, we need a little vodka. Can't go wrong with vodka. So pour a little bit of that in there. Boom. Then finally the blue curacao. And that's going to be on the top. So you want to pour that really slowly. And there's also some blue curaçaos that are higher in alcohol content than others. This one is actually a higher alcohol content than the vodka. So that's why it kind of floats on top. So we want to pour that in slowly, slowly, slowly. Just drop it. Drip, 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 drop. Nice and easy. Boom, blue curacao. And next, we pour it in the cups. So we got our blue, our little lighter than blue, our little lighter than the lighter than blue, our yellowish kind of thing, and our red. And there it goes. Boom, the rainbow shots. Voila. Drinking with 30 Dan.